What's up, internet? It's me, Steamy Coins. Thanks for checking out my video. Alright, so on the screen we're looking at a chart, the daily chart for Bitcoin. Just gonna look at, see what the market's looking like. I'm gonna start doing some more technical analysis videos. Oh, my screen froze. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some more technical analysis videos. For right now, we're just taking an overview look at what the price looks like right now. And if you look at this area right here, hold on, you said that. Yeah, so this area, excuse me, this area right here, you see the formation. I forgot what the technical term for it. I think it's like a cup. But anyways, you can see that the market is now going up. Alright, so if we zoom in a bit closer, we see that the general momentum is upward. So let's take a look at a smaller time frame, the 4-hour time frame. And just so that you know, the orange line represents the 34-day moving average, and the blue line represents a 13-day moving average. So generally, once a 13-day moving average crosses over and is above the 34, it's a general sign that there are more bulls in the market, more buyers. There's more buying pressure in the market, so the market is trending upward. All right, so take a look here. You can see that this is the support. You see how many times it touches that line? I don't know why my line looks like that. Let's see if we can get a better line. Hold on. Okay, let's try that one more time. Oh, it still looks like that. Anyway, I haven't been charting in a while, so I'm not so good at this, but yeah, so anyway, so you see that white line. So you see how it touches that line a couple times, and that is right around the 5,000 mark. But keep in mind, this is just on the 4-hour scale. If you look at it on the 1-hour scale, yeah, it still is around that same. So you can say the level of support is about 5,000 right now, right? And we're trending up, so we're trying to establish another level of support. Now the resistance, I really want to change the way that looks. Alright, so the resistance would be about here, which is at 5,300. Alright, so we're trying to break out of that. So you can almost safely assume that the next level of support is going to be around 5,700. Alright, and then the next floor would be, the next support would be 5,300 once it crosses over that. Alright, and if we look down here at this section here, this is the RSI. So this basically tells you how much it's oversold or overbought. Now the thing about the RSI, you really have to take it in perspective. So usually when the RSI, when this line here is above this white line at the top, the 75 line, it usually means that the coin, I wanted to say stocks, but it's not stock, but technically the same thing, is oversold. Generally that's what it means. And when it's below the 40, it means that it's overbought. No, I'm sorry, I said that backward. When it's below the 40, it means that it is oversold, and then when it's above the 75, it means that it's overbought. Now this is relative, right? So with the market right now, the way it's behaving, we just started a bull run. So you can't take the RSI indicator too seriously. You basically have to weight it against what is actually happening in the market right now. So right now we're on a bull run. So you can think of the RSI as resetting. So the RSI, it could keep going way above and not really be overbought, right? It's just finding it's trying to find a new price level. All right, so I would say probably in the next 3-4 days we might be able to climb up and touch 5,700, maybe not, or we might drip sideways for a little bit longer, maybe take it out to a week. But we know now that the momentum is up. All right, so that's Bitcoin versus the USD. So basically Bitcoin is the gold of the market, right? So everything is traded against Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin moves, the whole market moves eventually. Now what is traded against Bitcoin will actually go down, but once Bitcoin reaches its level and sets, those will also go up. So those meaning altcoins like your Tron, your Steam, and the rest of them. All right, so yeah, so that's the market. Everything's looking good. I would recommend that you jump in now, buy a little bit of Bitcoin, stick it in a wallet, and if you're not a trader, just forget about it, and just put that off as a future investment. And just to say is that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research. This is just what I am doing to to gain more Bitcoin. So let's look at Tron now and what's going on with the dApps. Alright, so here we have 26 Tron of the Tron bank. So this contract is going down. It's, what's the right word? It's getting drained. Yeah, it's getting drained, back down to 9 million. It was good. I'm in profit, so I made profit from this. I got on Telegram and I asked them what happens once this contract drains, and they said there will be a new contract. So looking forward to that. Alright, so let me go ahead and just grab my little divvies, 26.29, and sign the transaction. Come on, any day now. Okay, there we go. Alright, so jumping over to the BitTorrent token, the real money maker. So that is 1.1 billion BitTorrent token in the contract. Awesome. And my share out of that is 2,399 BitTorrent token. Excuse me. Yeah, so yeah, let me get that. Sign the transaction. Oh, I'm loving this contract. I'm gonna make so much money. I was right there at the beginning. Alright, so I already have approximately a fifth. I actually put in about 48, and then I compounded a bit and it went up to 52. So my actual investment is 48,000 BTT. So I'm up to 10. So I essentially, I want to say quarter, but it's not exactly a quarter. I'm approaching a quarter. By tomorrow it's going to be a quarter. I guess we could round it up and say it's a quarter. So I already recovered a quarter of my investment. Awesome. Alright, yeah, so that's that. Gonna get more tomorrow. Rising ROI. I really hate to see this contract go down because it is a good idea, a very good idea. But I think the reason why this contract didn't grow more is just the marketing. It was bad. Well, as far as I know. I mean, they didn't really. It's not well done, not that professional. The site is really basic. I haven't seen much marketing efforts. They have a Telegram group. They have a Telegram group, but no one is allowed to talk. It's just more like a billboard for announcement. So yeah, and they're sliding back now, so that's what it is. You see, I wish this site had like something to tell you actually how much you actually withdraw, so you know you can know where you are, as in if you're in profit or not. And I don't know if I'm in profit or not. I'm not sure, I can't tell, but whatever. So got that 45 Tron, P3T. Alright, P3T. I'm just compounding this, gonna just keep reinvesting. Didn't pay me a whole lot today. Sign the transaction. Yeah. And there's rising ROI. No, sorry, 1 up. There's 1 up. So I am wondering if I should invest more in this. So this is a compounding. Yeah, I really should. Or what I could do is jump into another ROI, whatever. But this is a compounding machine, right? I think this is probably one of the best ROI contracts out right now. It grows very slowly. It caps off at 2%. It grows by 0.02% daily, right? You can only, if you want to exit the game, you only get 50% of your initial deposit, right? If you withdraw, it knocks the percentage gain back down to 1%, and then you start over. You notice my gauge? Then you start over. So you can just compound this for a long time. So this is going to be very profitable. I'm liking this, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to go full tilt on this yet, because I am trying to save up some TRX to probably put in another faster ROI game, maybe a 10% daily, just to kind of get my earnings up again. So yeah, the jury's still out on that. I'm gonna think about that for a while, but yeah, this is definitely looking good. What else do we have here? You know what? This is Magic Dice by Steam. This is an awesome contract. This has been paying me a lot of money, so my Steam is growing faster and faster every single day, and this is a big contributor to that. I was gonna do a withdrawal, you know, in this screencast, but I kind of forgot, and I just went ahead and withdrew it. You know, I made about 0.3 Steam, and I just withdrew it. Yeah, so sorry. I should have done that on camera, but oh well. Let's see. Video poker, actually Pokertron. Pokertron. So Pokertron. Pokertron. The tokens are being mined very slowly. That's the issue I'm having right now. I don't know why it's going so slow. Yeah. Anyways, so once this reaches 100, that's when you get your payout. So I just have to wait till that reaches 100. Yeah, and so you know, that's it for the day. Not a whole lot more going. Not a whole lot going on. So most of the market is in the red in the last hour, so trade is taking a bit of profit. There, just got green. Yeah. Alright guys, well, I'm not sure how my voice sounds on this one, but I do seem to be getting a little bit of a cold or something like that. I don't know. But thanks for checking out my video. I'm gonna leave a couple links in the description for Tron Bank, P3T, and 1 up. Actually, there was one more I wanted to leave, Pokertron. You know, so I'm just gonna leave referral links for the dApps that I'm invested in right now and are making me money. I won't leave any links that for anything that I'm not invested in. Alright, so yeah, thanks for checking out my video guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.